Yeah, I did that on purpose.
Daddy.
What?
Stop!
It did, Mommy.
No, you better stay away from me, little shit. Stop! He's mean. Y'all need to go wash your faces. Just in case. Stop! I'll be here all the time. Please, I got chill bumps all over me.
Mommy wants a big hug, Blake.
No.
Give Mommy a big hug.
No. Blake, please you have a weapon ready. Go wash your face, Blake. Go.
Go give Mommy a big hug.
No. No.